Moving on to one more example. Again we have tabular representation. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 ones. So we will write 5 in the ones column. 1, 2 and 3. 3 tens. So we will write 3 in the tens column. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 hundreds. So we will write 5 in the hundreds column. Adding it together, we have 500 plus 30 plus 5. A total of 535. Let's understand it with the help of a story. One day, Akbar was strolling with Birbal and another courtier in palace garden. The emperor noticed lurching of a host of crows there. He was enjoying random flying of crows. Suddenly he asked, "How many crows are there in the fort?" The flatterer courtier said, "Your Majesty, we had never thought about such obvious fact. How intelligent of you! Then please let me know the number of crows present in the fort," said the emperor. The courtier tried to count the crows, but in vain. Next morning, when he met Akbar, he said, "Your Majesty, it's impossible to count the number of crows, even in the fort." Akbar looked towards Birbal. Birbal understood that the emperor wanted him to find out the number of crows in the fort area. Birbal said, "Your Majesty, I already got the crows counted in the fort, and there are 674 crows in the fort area." I will tell you the story further, but before that, we will look into the lesson. Place value and expanded forms of the numbers. We have a number 248. Here, 8 is in the ones place, 4 is in the tens place, and 2 is in the hundreds place. If we talk about the value of the digits, the value of 8 is 8, as there are 8 ones. The value of 4 here is 40, as there are 4 tens. The value of 2 is 200, as there are 2 hundreds. Adding it together, we have 8 plus 40 plus 200. The total is 248. If we write it in expanded form, we will write 200 plus 40 plus 8. Let's take one more example. We have number 501. Here 1 is in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, and 5 in the hundreds place. If we talk about the value of the digits, the value of 1 here is 1 as it is in the ones place. There is no tens, so the value of 0 is 0. So we will write 0 here. And the value of 5 is 500 as there are 5 hundreds. By adding it together, we have the number 501. If we write it in the expanded form, we will write it as 500 plus 0 plus 1. It's easy, isn't it? Let's take one more example. We have a number 670. Here 0 is in the ones place, 7 is in the tens place and 6 is in the hundreds place. If we talk about the value of the digits, as there is no digit in the ones place, so we will write 0 here. There are 7 tens, so we will write 70. At last we have 6. There are 6 hundreds, so we will write 600. Adding it together, we have 670. If we write it in expanded form, we will write it as 600 plus 70 plus 0.